We have square root of 20 minus square root of 5. What's the answer? Pause for a second and try it yourself. Got something? Okay, if you said square root of 15, we need to fix that. You can't just subtract the numbers inside the roots. 20 minus 5 is 15, yes, but that rule does not work here. So what do we actually do? We break down square root of 20. The trick is, find a factor that's a perfect square. Perfect square just means a number with a clean square root. Now, look at 20. We could write it as 2 times 10, but that doesn't help. Instead, write it as 4 times 5. And that's perfect, because 4 is a perfect square. So square root of 20 becomes square root of 4 times 5, which is square root of 4 times square root of 5. Square root of 4 is 2, so this becomes 2 root 5. Now bring back the rest. 2 root 5 minus root 5. Think of root 5 as 1 root 5. So we have 2 root 5 minus 1 root 5. That's just 1 root 5. So the final answer is root 5.